Did I break any rules of the debate?
No.
Did I not answer all his questions?
No.
Did he answer my questions?
No.
No. One of the most famous Hindu preacher in the world, Shri Ravi Shankar. Many people call him God.
But sir, how about Sadhguru?
Abey Salid.
Points, I guess. Sadhguru from the
Okay.
Foundation.
Arrange for a dialogue. I will debate him.
तोबा 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 थारा मूड खराब कर दिया.
Sadhguru is a famous person. Ask him. I will debate him.
मेरा मुंह से निकल गई, मेरी जबान टूट गई यार.
There are some people who have taken speeches and given answers. Some people, not himself. If he wants, let him arrange. No problem. I will debate him. Okay? Because I know he's famous. Any famous personality, if he wants to debate,
हम भी पेले गए थे, तुम भी पेले जाओगे.
debate him. He wants to debate me, open, any topic. Any topic on comparative religion. Hinduism and Islam, no problem. Okay? I'm welcome. And if he points out anything in my speech, which I said, which is out of context, or which is not as per the Hindu scripture, I'll apologize. I will give him from where I got. All my research are not from non-Hindu scholars, from Hindu scholars. I give the reference. So most of the speakers say, yes, Zakir is right, but. Then the but comes. Many Hindus say, when you hear your speech, in 2 hours I've learned what I have not learned in 40 years of my life. Because in my speech I give references. Did Shri Ravi Shankar give any reference in his speech? Even one reference he gave. Did he give a single reference, brother?
No.
गजब बेइज्जती है.
In my speech, how many references were there? So who's more authentic, a person who gives the reference or a person who doesn't give reference? He could have kept a chit. There's no objection. In a debate, you can have notes in front of you, right or wrong. I don't have notes. He can have notes. Ask if Shri Ravi Shankar will have a second debate with me. Will he have?
मेरी जबान टूट गई यार.
Even if you give him $1 million, he will not have.
I guess he will. But if he doesn't debate you, I'm sure one day I will. Yeah.
Most welcome. The day you can get 20,000 people for your audience, I will debate you.
Cool.
Now what you can do, question answer. Did I answer your question or not?
Yeah, you did. Thank you.
Very satisfactorily?
Yes.
I'm very happy. Thank you for accepting it. And may Allah guide you. And I'll pray for you that you come to the truth, brother. Thank you very much. Yes, most welcome.
Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. I hope you all are fine, guys. So finally, DR.ZAKIR NAIK openly said that he is ready for an open debate with the so-called Godman Sadhguru. Nowadays, this Godman Sadhguru become bit popular because of his some dimensional speeches. Of course, some major politician backs him. That's why today his fan following increased a bit. Do you know, guys, among his fan following, majority of it is full of blind followers. Because of that, sometimes a major political party of India used him in their political campaign. He too supports that party. Sometimes he talks in favor of that party's leaders with a specific ideology. I am damn sure, guys, he will never ever gonna accept a debate from DR.ZAKIR NAIK because they know their houses are built on lies. They are the follower of lies and their biggest lie is their ideology. Even if Sadhguru accepts the challenge, then we know what will be the result because Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala said it clearly. When truth is hurled against falsehood, falsehood perishes. For falsehood, it's by its nature born to perish. Hope, guys, you like the video. If you like it, then do share it too. And also subscribe our channel. See you again, inshallah. Till then, take care. Allah Hafiz. Assalamu alaikum.